unrivaled in luxury and presence. Our thriving community welcomes you to explore the sheer grandeur of the 1978 Lincoln Town Car, a masterpiece of American automotive excellence. As a symbol of prestige and comfort, this full-size luxury sedan had been meticulously engineered to deliver an unmatched driving experience. Through years of refinement, Lincoln had continuously introduced modifications that elevated the town car into an icon of sophistication, and the 1978 model year remains one of the most revered in its history. The Lincoln Town Car had been built on a foundation of elegance, and by 1978, it had been enhanced with a bold, squared-off design that exuded authority on the road. The imposing front grille, long hood, and extended body had been carefully sculpted to create a vehicle that defined luxury in the late 1970s. Chrome accents had been generously applied, further emphasizing its upscale appeal. The signature hidden headlights and massive bumpers had been stylistic statements that made this model instantly recognizable. Inside the 1978 Town Car had been crafted to provide the most comfortable and refined experience possible. Plush velour or premium leather upholstery had been offered, ensuring that every journey felt first class. A full-width digital Cartier clock had been elegantly placed in the dashboard, a detail that reinforced the car's luxurious identity. The seats had been engineered to provide a smooth and cushioned ride, almost floating over the road thanks to the car's sophisticated suspension system. Innovations in climate control and power accessories had been included, making the cabin a serene and technologically advanced space for its time. Under the hood, the 1978 Lincoln Town Car had been equipped with a powerful 460 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering effortless acceleration and a whisper-quiet ride. This powerhouse had been designed to glide down highways with unparalleled smoothness, further solidifying its reputation as a top-tier luxury sedan. Despite its massive size, the Town Car had been engineered to provide a remarkably composed and stable driving experience, ensuring that both drivers and passengers enjoyed every mile. Today, the 1978 Lincoln Town Car remains a highly collectible classic, with market prices ranging from $15,000 to $4,000, depending on condition, originality, and mileage. Pristine examples, especially those with low miles and factory-original features, have been increasingly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts alike. Join our passionate community as we continue to celebrate the legacy of this iconic luxury sedan. Explore its rich history, immerse yourself in its timeless design, and relive the golden era of American automotive craftsmanship. The journey of the Lincoln Town Car is far from over, and we invite you to be part of this ongoing story.